Children, please take out page number 28. Let's continue with our chapter. That night, Miss Manette insisted on sleeping in the dirty room with the father. Now, Miss Manette had met, her father after such a long time, and she wanted to spend her time with her father, and she didn't mind spending a night in dirty room. She tried in vain to reignite some spark of the past, which had long lost, faded, and died. So what she did whole night? She tried to reignite. Reignite means she tried to help her father recollect his past memories, which had already disappeared and finished from his frame of mind. His only recollection was Bastille, and as far as he knew, he was still imprisoned there. So, what all thing like this, after she just tried her level best to help her father recollect his past memories, but it was of no use. Whatever he remembered was only Bastille and his imprisonment, and he felt that he was still imprisoned in Bastille. So children, on the next page you can see the scene of the meeting of a father and daughter, and while the two men stand here to watch them. Right? Now, in the meantime, Laurie and Defarge had made all the preparations for the journey. The next morning, as they were getting into the coach that would take them to Calais, Defarge handed Mr. Laurie the papers they would need to get Dr. Manette out of the country. So, Calais is a port. What is a Calais? It's a port. Okay. So, Defarge handed Mr. Laurie the papers they would need to get Dr. Manette out of the country. So, these papers were all prepared. Mr. Laurie did not ask Defarge how he had managed to deal with the authorities so quickly, but simply shook the man's hand and thanked him. As they passed each gate of the walled districts of Paris, Miss Manette sat beside her father and held his hand, not letting it go for a moment. So you see how after such a long time Miss Manette had met her father, so she did not want to go away from him, and she held his hand quite tightly. Opposite Mr. Laurie's plain open face, I'll read again over here. Opposite Mr. Laurie's plain open face looked with sympathy upon the defeated soul of his friend. Whose defeated soul? The defeated soul over here is referred to the soul of his dear old friend, who is Dr. Manette. He was little more than a dead man taken from the grave. So this was his condition at that state. Okay, at that time the state of Dr. Manette was, he looked as if he looked almost dead man, a man without a soul. The troubling question that consumed Mr. Laurie was, do you want to be recalled to life? And the answer that kept coming back was, I can't say. So, what does it mean? The only problem that he just wanted to, Mr. Laurie just had one thing in his mind. He just wanted that if Mr. Manette really wanted to recall to life, means come back to life or live a life, and the answer that kept coming back was, I can't say, that he was not sure about his fate. That's all for today. After this, in the next week, we are going to discuss about question answers. Thank you very much.